Let me see. Spray it. That smells good. Oh yeah, what's the name of it? Let me see. Fresh linen. Y'all like that fresh linen? I ain't putting you up there. Y'all, let me see. My homegirl don't want to be on camera, but yeah, y'all, we just getting some of this fresh linen. Because guess what, y'all? I got some more good news. You're not up there. I'm actually in the store right now. I'm actually in Family Dollar because I'm looking for some materials to put in these vandominiums that I got. Oh yeah, y'all, I done manifest. I'm telling y'all, the universe has been so good to me lately, y'all. I've been manifesting all of the stuff that I've been asking for, and it's finally coming into fruition, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I manifested these things called vandominiums. If you want to know what vandominiums are, then let me know in the comment section. But basically, it's like I'm reinventing vans, like good places to where you can sleep at. It's called a vandominium. But anyway, yeah, y'all, I'm just rearranging vans, like with people that need places to stay, like you can stay in a vandominium. So this is like an idea that I came up with a long time ago. But I'm basically like taking all of the seats and stuff out of vans and basically turning into like little tiny homes and stuff like that. So I actually had an opportunity. This is cute. Y'all like this? Might gotta look at that. Check that out. This is cute too. Okay. But yeah, basically I'm rearranging vans, taking all the seats out, taking all the inside out, and just remodeling them, like putting beds and sinks and all types of things. So I've been doing that, and like I said, fortunately came across a couple of vans that I had a chance to remodel. So I'm just now trying to get some of the stuff that I have. So get some stuff for them. So I'm thinking about I might get this, or let me see. That's a mattress topper. What you looking for? I'm gonna come back to this stuff, but yeah, this is just like some of the stuff that I'm thinking about getting for the beds and stuff. But anyway, I wondered, should I put curtains? Of course I need curtains, but I'm also gonna have to get some of that reflective stuff. Let me know in the comment section if y'all know a good place to get I think it's called reflectives. You know, that's to keep the heat in because it is cold outside. So I'm gonna come back to that. But the main reason that I came is because I'm redoing the carpet. So let me see. This is not the carpet stuff that I need. Let me see. Nope. I got so many of these disinfectant wipes, so I don't need any more of them. I'm looking for carpet cleaning stuff. Not on this aisle, so let me continue to walk. But yeah, y'all, I'm so excited about these vandominiums because I've been wanting to recreate vandominiums for a long time, y'all. And like I said, I recently just got 2 new vans. They're not brand new vans, but when I get done with them, they're definitely gonna be new. Okay. I don't see any carpet cleaning stuff. Maybe it's on the next aisle. Let me see. Oh, okay. What's this? Hold on. Active odor eliminate. This is just some Febreze type stuff, I guess. But anyway, I might have to ask somebody because, or maybe they don't have any. I don't know. But I need to find some quick, y'all, because I got so much stuff to do when I get back. But yeah, y'all, the vandominiums that I recently just purchased, when I get done with them, I'm gonna do a tour of them also. I'm gonna go back on this out because maybe I overlook. When I get done with them, I'm telling y'all, they gonna be so good looking. So good looking. But first I have to make sure I have all the proper stuff for them. And yeah, I think I'm gonna have to ask somebody because I don't see them. What? Do y'all have any carpet cleaning stuff in here anywhere?
We do.
Because I've been looking. Go ahead, put it in there. Yeah. We just getting some regular, I know, right?
Yeah.
Give me a second, y'all. We should have got a car. Okay.
Carpet cleaner be right here.
Alright. But yeah, y'all, I told you. When I get done with these Vandominiums, they're going to be so lit. But that's what I'm saying, y'all. When y'all want the minute. Okay, I walked right past it. Thank you so much. Alright. When you are in the process of manifesting, so much stuff can happen. You good?
Mine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm recording. I'm recording the video, so yeah. But I'm trying to see. Let me see this. This is some 409 carpet stuff. Okay. I don't know if this is. Yeah, I think this is some good because I don't have a clue. So it said get rid of pet stains, tracked in dirt, motor oil, food grease, coffee, tea, red wine. All right, so let me see what else. This is some advanced. Okay, let me see what else they got. But yeah, y'all, the carpet in one of the Vandominiums needs to be refreshed. So I said I'm gonna come out and get some carpet cleaning stuff for it. But yeah, y'all, once I get done with these Vandominiums, I can't wait to show y'all. I think I'm gonna go ahead. I think I'm gonna try this, y'all, because this seems like it's pretty good. You can't go wrong with 409. So I'm gonna start off with this. And what else I need? Let's see. Definitely gonna go back over here and check out these bedspreads that I seen, these sheets and stuff. Because if you anything like me, you want where you lay your head at to be nice and comfy. So my plan is to recreate these Vandominiums, and basically I'm gonna be renting them out. You know, the same way if you were to go to like a hotel or something like that, instead of going to a hotel, you actually can rent these out. So that's the plan with these Vandominiums. And most of them are like, I had the first one is like, I'm gonna put a twin size bed in them. So, but the other one is pretty big, so I might go. I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit a queen size bed. I don't know. I'm gonna have to see. But let me see. Definitely not a king size, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that back. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to bring y'all along with me because I'm so excited, y'all. When I say I've been manifesting back to back, like everything has just been happening. Like I still have to do a house tour of the apartment that I just recently rented out to a tenant. So I'm gonna be doing that soon. And once I get done with these Vandominiums, I gotta do that. Plus, y'all know I got the shows coming up. So y'all, I've been lit. Seriously, I've been really, really lit. But I think I'm gonna have to find my friend, and she's gonna have to come and help me because I'm undecided, and y'all can't help me, you know. Y'all can't help me out right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this video off. Do I need some pillows? Oh no, I already have the pillows. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video for right now, y'all. And y'all just let me know in the comments section if you got any ideas and all of that good stuff that I can add to my Vandominium. And I can't wait to get back with y'all until the next time, y'all. Make sure y'all share this video, like, and comment. All right, y'all. Peace.